Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn about insertion by using GUI. So go to test GUI, select student table and then select insert tab. So ID is auto increment, name is Fahim, blood is B positive, phone is, father name is, click on go button and here is the query. Insert into student table, ID is a column and ID value is null. DBMS will automatically manage it according to predefined rule. Fahim is the value of name, blood is the value of B positive, 03222 is the value of phone, Irfan is the value of father name. So go to the browser. So first record is inserted by using GUI. Select test GUI database, right click here, edit top 200 rows, ID is auto increment and also ID is a primary key, name is Fahim, blood is B positive, 230322, father name is Irfan. Just click tab button and record is inserted successfully. New query, select database, test GUI, select all from student. So here is the record, ID is 1, name is Fahim, blood B positive, phone 03222, father name is Irfan. So first of all, what is the syntax of insertion statement? Insert into database name, table name, values, value 1, 2, 3 and so on. It is also possible to only insert data in specific columns. Insert into database name, table name, column 1, column 2, column 3 and the values are for column 1, value 1, for column 2, value 2 and for column 3, value 3. The insert into statement is used to insert new record in a table. Please insert the value in according to the sequence. Copy the statement. Our database name is test SQL. Table name is student and first value is null, which is the primary key. DBMS will insert automatically. Test SQL. Go to structure, name, blood, hostel, name is Fahim, B positive, I want to skip hostel, father name hostel is yes, Irfan, and phone is 0300. Copy the syntax, go to console and paste it here. Insert into test SQL, which is the database name, and student is the table name. Values are for ID null. DBMS will manage it automatically. For the name, the value is Fahim. For blood, be positive. For hostel, yes. For father name, Irfan. And for phone is 0300. Press Ctrl plus enter. Inserted raw ID 1. So data successfully inserted. Now same for, go to new query, select database test SQL, paste it here and remove test SQL database name because test SQL database is selected here. Check the query, commands completed successfully, execute it. Okay, remove, execute the query. One row affected. Go to tables and select data. So data inserted successfully. A little bit change in query for SQL Server, but it is same. We can also insert multiple values over rows instance. So copy and paste it here. Also copy and paste it here. Remove hostel value. Also remove see, change the name. One, two, A positive, B positive. ID, column name, name is also column name, blood is column name, father name is also column name, and phone is also column name. Paste it here. So record inserted successfully. 2 Hasib and ID 3 Nadeem be positive. So look at here, the hostel value automatically inserted because hostel default value is no. So hostel value automatically inserted. Go to SQL Server, change student and remove id, also remove null value, execute the command, select all the records, test GUI, database is test GUI, so test SQL and select record Hasib Nadeem, data successfully inserted. Thank you for watching this video.